Hi, I'm Krista Colvin, a professional organizer and owner of The Shebang, the Smart Woman's Guide to Doing It All. I'm going to show you how to organize your refrigerator. First thing you need to do is remove everything in there. And you need to be quick about this. So as you're removing everything, look for expiration dates, look for food that you just don't eat anymore or things that have gotten moldy. Remove them, trash them. Then, as you've removed everything, a good idea is to have sorted it by type. So place all your condiments together, all your dairy products together. That way you can see truly what you have. Next step, create sections of your refrigerator. So it's pretty obvious where the dairy goes, but it's great to create sections and then adjust your shelves to accommodate the items. So in this particular refrigerator, it can be cranked and that will move the shelf up and down. Other shelves you'll need to adjust manually. One of the sections I've created is a leftover section. And you can see I created a label and placed it on there. That's something new for our family, but I've been told by several of my organizing colleagues that that is the way to go. So I'm going to see how the label thing works for me. You can also see that I've used squared containers that are similar in brand. And that makes it really easy to fit more into the refrigerator. Labeling the drawers is another great idea because if you look at the drawers, the front might say it's for produce, but who's looking at it face on? So as you're looking at it when you open the fridge, you'll see that I've labeled by category that works for our family. The bottom drawer is used for the kids. So the kids can go to their drawer and they have their healthy snacks. So when they're hungry, that's the section that they get to go to and not dive into the cupboard for another bowl of cereal. On the cupboard door, I've done something similar, created sections and zones, so other condiments that we're not using on a daily basis, and also a section for the kids for their juice. So you never run out because you see what you have, and it's easy to make your grocery list based on what is empty in the fridge. Something you can do for the freezer, just repeat the process. And I haven't labeled the freezer, but I've done it by meals and a little ice cream, because ice cream's a meal, and quick, easy food to prepare. Then the bottom, I've used the basket there for vegetables and some frozen fruit. And then on the door, items that are easy to grab and simple for the kids. So same process, just repeated on the other side of the freezer.